Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to day 2 of Shark Week. Today we're going to be talking about hammerhead sharks. So we're going to read an informational text called Hammerhead Sharks, and the author is David Dexter. Notice that nonfiction text feature, table of contents. You got it. All right, big fish. Hammerhead sharks are big fish with wide heads. And so this is a label pointing to his very wide head. So here, this is kind of a neat little diagram, and it kind of gives a comparison of how big hammerhead sharks are. So this is a human diver, somebody that goes underwater, and then you've got the size of a hammerhead shark in comparison. So you can see they're much bigger than humans. They are able to hit like a hammer. In the ocean, this hammerhead shark swims in shallow ocean water. And so right here it says, where in the world do hammerhead sharks live? Here's our map, right? So we've got oceans and continents, and where it's yellow is where hammerhead sharks live. So it's kind of hard to see. Hopefully you can zoom in maybe on your screen a little bit, but it's over here mostly in Asia and on that different part of the globe. It glides near the sea floor. It touches the sandy bottom. On the move. This hammerhead shark migrates for the summer. So migrate, there's lots of species of animals that migrate. You might have heard like ducks migrate south for the winter. Actually, believe it or not, butterflies migrate to Mexico where it's warmer. So migrate just means to move from one place to another. It leaves warm tropical waters. It travels to mild waters. On the hunt. This hammerhead shark hunts for prey in the sand. It cannot see buried animals. However, it senses their presence. So these are some animals that might bury themselves in the sand, and other animals that the hammerhead shark would like to eat. So we've got a stingray, a squid, a fish, and a crab. It also looks for swimming animals to catch. Ooh. On the attack, this hammerhead shark pins a stingray with its head. So it almost kind of headbutts it and keeps it trapped on the surface. Then it cuts into the stingray. Its teeth are like saw blades. So this kind of puts it in perspective too. Actually, their teeth are not that much bigger than a human tooth. So this is a human tooth, and that's the great hammerhead shark's tooth. I feel bad for that stingray. It's definitely not his lucky day today. So strong. Do you see how strong hammerhead sharks are? Would you swim with a hammerhead shark? I don't know about you boys and girls, but I think the answer to that for me is no. All right, and here's our glossary. And a glossary is almost like a dictionary, and it gives definitions of words. Well, I hope you enjoyed learning about hammerhead sharks. Feel free to go onto our Get Epic website and pull up some more books or videos on hammerhead sharks, and I can't wait to start seeing your flip grids on our little blog page. So hope you have a great Tuesday.